Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to highlight three things that smart investors know about the trade desk stock. The first thing is that the trade desk stock operates in a massive market. According to Group M, advertisers spent $763 billion, and that was excluding political ads in 2021. The estimate for 2022 is that figure increased by 8%. The trade desk helps buyers of digital advertising connect with inventory, right? If you're looking to advertise and you're looking to where to put it, if you're looking to get some exposure to people watching programs on smart TVs, or people browsing apps on their smartphone, or people browsing the internet on their home computer or their office computer, the trade desk will help connect you to inventory, advertising inventory that's available for you to purchase programmatically. So you can set it up in a way that's automated while still maintaining flexibility should you want to step in and increase your investments if you want to, right? If you start a campaign and you realize, hey, I'm getting really good return on investment from this advertising campaign, I want to see if I can turn it up a level, you can go in and turn up the spending. Or if you see that, hey, the initial few $1,000s I spent is not working very well, I want to bring it down, focus on only the highest return on investment areas, and maybe turn down the investment in personal computers and turn down the investment on mobile phones and only keep my investment on smart TVs. Well, you could do that with the trade desk. It allows that kind of flexibility. It's not a feature where you just set it and you need to stick with it all year. It allows you to come in and increase or decrease, and it also allows you to leave it be if you like the way things are working. So that's one of its benefits, and the fact that it operates in this massive industry is great news for investors, because if you're investing in a company that's operating in a massive industry, that means existing players are not competing each other so aggressively for market share, discounting their services, making it cheaper and cheaper for customers because they're fighting for market share. If you're in a massive industry, there's enough to go around. Companies are just focusing on serving their customer base effectively and efficiently, rather than trying to go out and get more new customers, right? And so that's the benefit of investing in a massive industry. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that in my 6-step framework to decide on what stock is a buy or not, one of the more important steps in my 6-step framework is the total addressable market. And for the trade desk, it's operating in a massive market opportunity. That's great news for the trade desk investors. The next thing that smart investors know about the trade desk, it that is has a strong secular tailwind supporting it. Not only is the advertising industry growing, but the digital share of advertising has increased to 64.4% in 2021. The figures for 2022 are not out yet. That was up from 52.1% in 2019. So more spending is going towards digital channels where the trade desk can benefit from selling inventory in, right? And that's because marketers prefer digital advertising over more traditional methods, like, for instance, when you advertise on a billboard. How do you know how many people saw that billboard ad? I don't know, you have to do some complex math, like how many people live in that city, how many people travel this road and commute during this road and these hours of this season and all of that. And still, you would be coming up with estimates with a very wide degree of error. And so you can't really measure that kind of advertising. And so you don't know what kind of return on investment you're getting. So you don't know whether to increase or decrease that, if it's a smart investment, not a smart investment. Whereas if you're advertising, let's say you're advertising on personal computer ads, right? On when people are browsing the internet on their home computers, and you show a banner ad, you can know exactly, you can measure how many people clicked that banner ad and made a purchase after clicking that banner ad. So you'll know exactly, precisely, what return on investment you're getting. And so that's a strong secular tailwind for the trade desk that's likely to persist. And finally, the third thing that smart investors know about the trade desk stock is that it's outperforming the industry. We mentioned earlier that Group M predicted worldwide advertising will increase by 8.4% in 2022. And here's a quote I pulled from the Trade Desk Management's most recent quarter's conference call. They said that even though the industry itself is growing at 8.4% in 2022, we are growing at more than 3 times that rate. So they're growing at triple the rate of the industry. And that means that it's gaining market share, that it's attracting customers, that advertisers see the trade desk as a great place to send their money to. Otherwise, it wouldn't be growing at faster than the industry. All right, so there you have it. Those are the 3 things at least that smart investors know about the trade desk stock. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.